How to get a QuickBooks free trial. QuickBooks offers a 30-day free trial for its various products, such as QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Self-Employed, and QuickBooks Advanced. This allows you to explore the features and functionality of the software before committing to a subscription. Step 1. Visit the QuickBooks website. Go to www.quickbooks.intuit.com. Hover over the Products menu and choose the product that best fits your needs. QuickBooks Online for small businesses. QuickBooks Self-Employed for freelancers. QuickBooks Advanced for growing businesses. Step 2. Click on the free trial option. Look for the Try It Free or Start Free Trial button on the product page. Confirm that the trial period is 30 days. Note, discounts may not be combinable with free trials. Step 3. Create an Intuit account. Enter your email address and create a password. Provide your business name, contact information, and other basic details. Step 4. Choose your plan. Select the plan that suits your business needs. Simple Start Essentials plus Advanced. The free trial applies to all eligible plans. Step 5. Enter payment information. Add a valid credit or debit card. QuickBooks won't charge you during the 30-day trial, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless you cancel. Step 6. Start using QuickBooks. Explore features such as invoicing and expense tracking, payroll management, optional add-on, reports, dashboards, and integrations. Use this time to evaluate if QuickBooks fits your business needs. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your QuickBooks account. Go to Account and Settings, Billing and Subscription. Click Cancel Trial to avoid charges. By following these steps, you can try QuickBooks for free and decide if it's the right solution for your business accounting needs.